What? Thank you for making that sound at the start. That's good. That can be the intro, wait.
Let's do this, you guys.
I pop everything on the first pull, including ultimate potion of power. Please don't just pull one thing. I hate people. Fuck it. Go big. Jimmy, I've bubbled, so you can't yell at me. Can't die if I'm bubbled, mate. I like how I used absolutely everything, including a potion of ultimate power. On the first pack he pulled, even though he was going to pull more.
I don't want to show you a red button, maybe.
Interrupt.
Oh mate, I'm on my game today.
Red Pala.
Oh, one back. It's fine.
3, 2, 1.
Even whenever I was going now, because they were all over the page.
What do you say?
But now when more of messes up, you can actually look at the page, see what happens.
True. Wait, let me turn the sound down a bit because I couldn't hear you. I got it, mate. Are you subscribed to my YouTube channel, Jamie?
I'm not sure, but I will.
Mate, you better be. You're gonna be part of the videos, mate. Everyone can see your amazing healing and call you a really epic gamer. Is he not gonna pull more? Why do we get such baby pullers?
Why they fucking pressing it?
How come I don't get healed?
Yeah.
Should I replay the footage to see why I didn't get healed?
I think you should.
Oh, wish he told me he was gonna do this. I'm just gonna die.
No, you're not. Yes, you are, because someone let him explode.
Why was I on half HP for so long?
Start with cast times.
We'll rewatch the footage, mate. We'll see what happens, okay? It's my own fault. I wasn't saving my. I was using my defensives to make it a easier time for you to heal when I should have just saved them for a big pull. But I didn't realize the tank was gonna do a big pull because it was like solo pulling. Mate, for the YouTube audience, should I get damage done that pull and also damage done overall?
I think you should.
For the YouTube frogs. I also need to get a pocket, so when I die because you refuse to heal me, I don't have to re-eat.
3, 2, 1.
So I didn't realize I was refusing to you.
It feels like that sometimes. Because you only... The problem is, chain heal has a very long cast time.
Like, just use
So the
chain
fact
heal.
you only heal with chain heal means that sometimes I just don't get healed in time. Can we wait 55 seconds for my... Wow. Say that as no, mate.
AOE incoming. Watch your step. Run out.
Jimmy, can I just stand here instead?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Thank you.
Watch your step.
No.
How does the tank fucking die?
I can batter him. I think it's because you weren't healing him, Jimmy.
Oh, maybe.
Sometimes you have to cast stuff that isn't changed. Why have I got aggro?
Great value.
Sometimes you need to cast stuff that isn't. I'm gonna bubble this so you have an easier time laning. Saving my cooldowns for the big burst thing.
Run out.
Can I just stay in?
Yeah, mate.
Watch your step. Watch your feet.
You listed I was allowed? No, Jimmy, please, 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 Jimmy. You said I was allowed.
AOE incoming.
I think I can heal myself. I should start buying some health potions. I just... Alright.
Watch your step. AOE incoming.
Man, that was the best Spirit Link totem I've ever seen.
Oh, thanks.
Well, I could watch back the video and see how many times I just flame you for literally no reason. What item level are these guys? Oh. Wrong button.
Interrupt.
Why does the tank say like doesn't hit anything anywhere that is near to what you do?
Because he's bad? I'm gonna be honest with you, mate. You're just fucking shit. Do I have... one sec. My DPS is gonna be bad until I just check if... No. I'm gonna quickly... I'm gonna have to do / reload, Jimmy, I'm sorry.
Stack high. Shockwave. Stack high. Great value.
My stack of poison is high. Which I might be able to take care of if I can... Do I not have Dispel? I do.
Shockwave.
Am I being blind? Why is it? Okay. There I have bound cleanse poison, Jamie.
Keep trying to have, haven't
Am I gonna get healed?
we? Yeah. Or part of our few shots is not his down. I'm having to stun you.
Why don't you use human racial?
I'm not human. I'm not fucking cringe.
If you stop swearing in my YouTube video, how would I get monetized? Why are you laughing?
Well, when you get monetized, I'll stop playing.
Maria can be a streamer, I can be a YouTuber. No, I'm just gonna ignore the frogs now, because I can just dispel it if mine get high. Obviously I'm not gonna dispel anyone else's, but...
What damage it takes, man.
It's because you're used to my Giga Chad tanking, mate. You say I was the best blood DK you've ever seen?
Yeah.
Insane. Please, my wings.
The wings are always in my favor.
You can already tell this group has done all the interrupts.
Interrupt.
I keep messing up by using whatever. Do you have the talent that can dispel poison, by the way?
No.
Did you not feel like taking it? Hello?
No, I've got nothing which is worth losing with this Apex.
You sure?
And that breaks your heart, mate, because you can have to do a slight bit of movement.
Watch your step.
Pretty sure you're meant to take dispel poison?
Run.
Can I get healed?
And then,
Run out.
killed by a frog.
Break run.
The 10 spectrum, right?
Well, yeah. If you had
Watch your step.
oh, I can't res.
Run. Break run.
I
AOE incoming.
I need to remember to actually line up my cooldowns better.
Run.
Man, this Warlock's doing like no DPS, mate. At least the big frog isn't hangry.
Watch your step.
3, 2, 1.
Break run. Run. Break run. AOE incoming. Watch your step.
I mean, to be fair, I could have been dispelling people, but the D in DPS does not stand for dispel.
Run.
Plus, it's really easy if you just kite the frogs into Biggie Boy, and you'll like never get stacked.
Break run.
That was the most depressing frog fight I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, I hear I didn't change specs according to the dungeon for some reason.
You're looking for the poison thing at the bottom.
Don't know what you mean, mate.
Breath incoming.
What are you talking about?
Um,
Well, no, I was just seeing
Great value.
why you didn't take it. Like, what was so important that you said you couldn't lose? Just wondering, is all. Nothing snaky about it, mate. Just wondering. By the way, there's a weak aura you can get that will like remind you what talents you should take for each dungeon. By the way, like when you step into the dungeon, it'll like light up if you're meant to take like dispel poison or fear undead or whatever your class has.
really?
Yeah.
Breath incoming. Great value.
Wow, he's trying to not pull him. Don't be a pussy. Ooh. Oops. Sorry, Jimmy.
Breath incoming.
Man, he's actually trying to not pull him. That's well boring.
Interrupt. Great value.
I like how I'm slowly getting aggro on them. So I post it in the Ret Paladins Discord to see if they like appreciate my standing up for the gnome lovers in the world. I just realized I'm a mecha gnome right now, I'm not even a normal gnome. Honestly, I'd take mecha gnome paladins if they don't want to give it to normal gnomes. Do I save my cooldowns for the boss,
Great value.
or do I pad? Some people find this boss tough, mate, so I won't pad. Oh, what the fuck? Why did he just point the ref at me? Does he mind?
Breath incoming.
I definitely should have used my cooldowns. By the way, you'll be happy to know that I put my human racial on my bars, and I even used it this dungeon, mate. You did blood dust at the start.
Yeah, but I'm just thinking quickly.
We'll build a new world.
Tank says no.
There you go.
Find shelter.
Yay for being a Ret Paladin.
Watch your step. Find shelter. Watch your step.
Who died?
Tank.
Oh. Where's him?
He's just literally not using defensive.
Let me show ya the power of the elements.
I might be able to keep us up.
Find shelter.
Wait, are you alive?
Watch
Yeah.
your steps.
Oh, it's the other pallet. Oh, sorry. I thought you were the shaman that died, so I was using all my stuff on healing people. Not
I
because.
mean, it would be a big help. I'm out of mana
Show ya the
because
Oh.
I was meant to drink.
Find shelter.
Yeah. I can try to help, but
Watch your steps.
how'd someone else die?
It was me, 'cause I got no mana. I'm here when I got caught in knife. Okay.
Let me show ya the power of the elements.
Oh, that was horrid. Oh, let me res you. I need to move my bars, my HP bars slightly closer. Oh. But yeah, I need to move my HP bars slightly closer to the middle of the screen when I play Paladin, just in case I ever have to heal. Or use Blessing of Freedom on people and such. Why do we have 8 deaths?
What's the healer shit?
Closer.
Nah. Healer's actually my personal friend, so I won't have you
Oh,
speak
he's
about
probably
that.
not what I'm doing guys.
I don't want to be that guy, but I have aggro.
Why doesn't the DK heal at all?
No. How much healing is it doing?
I don't know, I'm not looking to heal at the moment.
Breath incoming.
We should look at healing done overall, mate, if you want.
Maybe he's just letting his bone thing run out?
No clue.
Too far away. Do you not see what that wretch Tyr has done?
All my homies hate you.
Why is he tanking on that side?
Run.
Why not? Bit of a laugh, innit? Why do you hate our tank?
In front.
Do I make all the pain will be over soon? Let's hope he knows how to do the last boss, so I'm gonna keep getting hit. How did someone die?
You got a hit post splash.
And he released, mate. That's fucking epic.
Interrupt.
Do I use my cooldowns here? I mean, we're about to go to the last boss. So. How about I use this one?
Run. Knocking back.
The elemental will cleanse the waters.
Straight line.
Did you have time to sit down and drink?
Bro.
Put it in caps. Stone. Oh, he means summon stone. I mean, he's right here anyway, so who cares? Ah, mate, overall I'm winning.
The DK's nearly doing half my healing overall.
I don't know. I mean, it depends from dungeon to dungeon.
Every single dungeon I've done, DK's done more than me.
DKOP, mate. We don't have any battle reses, so...
Grapevine.
I thought he died then. I saw his head. I think he definitely popped Purgatory.
He did. He got knocked back in it like one trying.
And he needs to use defensive and make sure he has his shield up. From Blood Strike. Blood Strike? Death Strike. Oh, that was close. Can't wait for someone to just pull all of these, even though it'll kill us. Yep.
That
Why wasn't he getting any heals? Like, even from himself, I mean. We don't have a battle res for 3 minutes. I might be able to tank it till the first knockback, but then I'll be dead. Should we just wipe back fast?
see how it goes with you tanking it. Oh,
Yep.
yeah, you just died before I could even get a cast off.
We're not gonna quickly wipe, or...
Now one thing's tank it, mate.
Yeah, but there's 2 minutes left for a battle res, and you don't have enough damage, so you're just gonna end up depleting the key.
Correct, I'll go.
In before someone leaves. To be fair, he didn't get a single heal from... Wait, why isn't he using Death Strike? That can't be right.
You know, like when he died on the boss,
Yeah.
it was too far away from me.
Yeah, but why is he not...
I literally just got down the stairs.
But why is he not healing from his own Death Strike? It's just Leech, Blood Plague, Leech. Maybe I don't understand
Maybe
how
he's just not used it.
Well, no, he is. Or he'd do no healing. Why have I died 2 times? Well, I just died once then, but... Well, I'm losing overall now, because I died. Is my first upload gonna be a deplete?
I hope so.
At least we have Bloodlust, mate. Well, the Shaman and DK didn't res. Nice.
Nope.
Fuck it, mate. The Death Knight uses his health stone. He's just gonna pull, isn't he?
I am out of range.
We have one battle res. Da, da, la, 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 la. I'm with the Death Knight, mate. Wait, someone got hit on the other side.
Yeah, that's me. The Warlock ran into a swirly.
3, 2, 1.
How does that make you get hit, mate?
Because it popped it, the AoE thing.
Oh. I mean, as long as we CC them, it's fine. But like, uh oh. Oh, someone knocked it up. And he's pulled all three. Ooh. I'm gonna pop my cooldown so we can come fast. I'm really worried then, I'll be honest. I mean, maybe he's trying to make sure we do the key in time, and that's fair. Did you get hit by a bubble?
I think so.
3, 2, 1.
Red Pala.
There you go. And again, press them up.
No, that's just the...
2, 1.
Red Pala.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. I mean... I kept up with the 509 Warlock, so I'm okay with that. We got a ring, mate. Is it good? Oh, damn, it's actually... Oh! That might be a really good ring. Should we look at healing done? I mean, he's definitely using Death Strike, Jamie. 250 times. Which is fine, maybe. Let's check his cooldown usage. I think that's okay. No way the Warlock used that many defensives. And I only used Divine Shield 4 times, which, you know, it's more like an emergency thing.